Doing a repair on this shingle right here. As you can see, there's already some type of creasing right there and a missing one here. But what I need to do is go ahead and get this repair out the way. Go ahead and unseal these shingles here. Up right there. That's one little thing. Trying to unseal these shingles. Get a little small tear right here. Trying to see if we can do it without doing any more damage. Another one right there is getting eaten up by the root snake. Get the nails out of here. Getting a good bit of nail pull throughs here, so I'm gonna show them real quick. Zoom in right here. As you can see, these nails are perfectly flush. They are flush in here. We're just taking these first two out. You can see right there, flush. Right there is flush. Just taking these first two, we're getting a good bit of nail pull throughs. I'll show you right here. Gotta just pulling right through. You see that? Perfectly flush, but pulling right through. Same thing over here. I do want to point out some of the material transfer that we do have here. We have some right here. Not too much right there. Some right there. So we'll keep on going.
Oops. The tool interfere.
Timber. Pass me one. It's not funny, though. Such a lot. The hammer.
You can see how that exposure is off too.
Yep. Exposure on that side and on this side.
On the middle point.
Where's it at? What'd you say?
So the shit that we just put up, you see how that line's not going all the way?
Yeah, I see what you mean.
That's what I'm talking about.
Okay. Yeah, because it has to be.
It's lined up.
Yeah, I see what you mean. Oh, my bad.
No, you forgot.
Even though it's lined up with what's already up here. not care. Yeah.
Yeah, enjoy the show. They will enjoy the show.
You should be embarrassed. No, I'm just kidding. After that repair, one key thing my manager here pointed out was the dimensions on this side. What'd you say? I missed it.
The exposure.
The exposure?
Find out how that, see how on this one,
Mm-hmm.
how that goes all the way to the end?
Uh-huh.
Does it do that on that?
Nope. On neither.
Yep, so that's what I was talking
Okay, the exposure is one. Can't spell today. The material transfer. A little bit of creasing you got right here. Some creasing you got going on right here. The material transfer, obviously. Some of the nail pull through. But this obvious little tear that we had right here. You zoom in on that. But yeah, with all that, it's not feasible to do repairs and bring back this roof back to its 100% integrity. Hope you guys, review the video and get back to us as quickly as you possibly can. Appreciate it.